guys. Hey, I got this. This is the car dolly here. It's got bigger wheels on it than the frame dolly. So what I want to do is look at this. So if you look at this one first, can you see here? All right, so this is turned this way, so I know I need this to go this way because the piece of wood that I'm gonna put in here, the 4x4, is gonna go from here to this one. So this little end needs to go that way. So I'm gonna set this up here. Then my next one will be this one, and it's gonna come in this way here. Alright. So I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna lock this up first. Once I get this one in, every time I get a in on the short side here, I want to lock it down because I don't want that to move. I don't want that to move. I want it to slide here, whichever kind of way I need it to slide. All right. So then quite naturally, this next one is running this way too. So I want this one to go here. Right. And then this last one, I don't know if I got the whole thing in the camera or not. Hold on. Alright. So this last one is gonna go in here. I'm gonna slide this out some. There we go. Then this one is gonna go in here. Let me grease this up real quick. Need to go up any more? That's good.
No, that's good.
Boy, RJ, watch that thing now. I don't want it to fall on you up under there, because it's tilting in the front. Do it need to go up any? These wheels up here is kind of... These wheels, this wheel is...
Yeah, kind of don't want to turn.
Well, this is right here, I think. Need to be took in, or will it fit? Huh?
I have to cut a little more off. It's not, that side is forward more than this side.
No, that don't matter. I'm gonna, when we get it up front, oh,
Yeah, it's a lip, gonna hit this back lip right here.
okay, I see what you're saying. Because I was gonna say this piece of wood comes out of here.
Yeah, but we ain't gonna be able to get it
Get it
up.
up front.
Yeah.
piece of wood that you think you need to cut?
Yeah, and then we can move this 2x4 in the front forward, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to jack it up some.
That should be good. Here, I'll hold that 2x4 up.
Hey, jack, no, just jack it, son, just jack it up a little bit more. Oh, hold on, yeah, you're right.
Just let's 2x4 up and
There you go.
yep.
How about yourself?
How many clips are you on yours?
I don't, not, that might not matter.
Yeah, it won't.
Cause once we get this down, I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the stands up under this here.
Yeah. Go ahead,
Let
let it
down?
down. Yeah.
Looks like, yeah, you go down. Let me check this meat. He's constantly calling me. So guys, I got my son here with me today, and we just taking this putting this body on the frame so I can roll this thing out. This is for the convertible, so I'm not gonna really work on it this winter. So, but I do want to get it outside, cover it up before it starts snowing around here. Now I'm hoping. All right, don't let it all the way down. Don't. Yeah. It's fine. Jack it up some, because I want to make sure it's going to roll and don't fall back. That's good. Now, like, just enough pressure where it's off of there. Just so we could try to pull it, like, right there is good. So let's try to roll this. Yeah, those are different. You got to let it up and then just, it'll push down. But then if you grab, you got to grab from the big metal part. Let's see if it's forward. I'm gonna get on this other side. I gotta move this. Let's see if it'll push. All right. So now let it on from up under there. It's not gonna tilt back, no. Lift up on it. It's not falling back, so. No, they work good with the Impala, but I don't know if this car being bigger, yeah, it's not going nowhere. Wow, yeah. All right, let's see if we can just pull it. Let me move this. See if we can just push and pull this way, just a little bit. Move forward. These wheels don't want to. Hold on, let me push.
Yeah, you got kicked out of the wheel straight. No, like try to kick the wheel. You know how you have to do with the
Which one?
the one right by your foot. That front one is not facing forward, yeah. No, mine are pretty straight.
No, it needs to be sideways.
Oh, now you want to go sideways with
Yeah,
it?
that's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
I probably need to put some new casters on here. There we go. Alright, so maybe once we get the rolling, it'll start rolling right, but that's good. Alright. We got that baby on there. Now I'll try to get it out of here this weekend. Cover it up.